Hi guys, Rog here and welcome to the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. Well, today I'm going to be making some sweet potato fries. I've got two sweet potatoes here. I'm going to peel these, cut them into the appropriate sizes, and I'm going to be cooking them in this Tefal Actifry air fry original, that's what it's called. I love this machine, it cooks so well. Hopefully it will do a good job today. I'm going to be using this as well. It's Schwartz, it's a chip seasoning, always makes your fries very flavoursome, I must admit. Now this is going to be a first for me. I always find sweet potato fries seem to be a bit disappointing, they're not quite as crispy and crunchy as I would like. So I'm hoping that this machine is going to do the job for me. So I'll prepare these and I'll see you back later. Okay, so here are my sweet potato fries. I've cut them up like that, about that size. If you can see, it's quite an appropriate size for fries or chips, whatever you want to call them. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons full of just a general purpose cooking oil in with these. Now I know that in the book, in the Tefal book, it says use 1 tablespoonful, but I don't think that's quite enough, so I've used 2. Then I'm going to go in with this chip seasoning. As you can see, you've got 2 openings there. You've got one very large one and one sprinkly one. So I'm going to use this one. Put some in with the chips, and then we're going to give these a little bit of a mix. And then a little bit more. Now, as you can see, this Actifry's got a paddle that goes around there and that flips everything over. It's pretty good really. I'm going to use that for these fries, so I'll leave that in. Sometimes for other cooking I take this out, but not today, I'll leave that in. So in with the fries. And I'll just move these around a little bit, get them nice and even, and then they'll get off to a good start. I'm going to set the timer for about 20 minutes. I normally use 20 minutes when I'm doing normal fries, so I'm going to try 20 minutes on these and just check them after 20 minutes to see how they're getting on. So that's 20 minutes. Let's give these a little try. Crikey, they're a bit hot. They're okay. I think they just need a few more minutes. I'll give them another 5, perhaps 8 minutes. So we've had that other 8 minutes. Let's see what we've got now. Yeah, pretty good. I think I'm going to call those done now. I think there's probably about 28, 29 minutes altogether. They're crispy, they've got loads of flavour. Oh, that seasoning is really good. If you like what you see in this video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and I'll be back to see you again next time. Thanks for watching, bye folks.